your Eyecos photographic kit contains a tripod for your camera or telephone and the mounting adapter, another tripod for the projection light and its adapter. It also contains a projection light. Attach the adapter to your camera or phone and mount it to one of the tripods. In this case, we're using a mobile phone. Next, you'll need to mount the projection light to the other tripod. In order to take a good photo of the iris, this is the best setup. You'll need to see the entire circle of the iris. A partial photo will not work. In order to do this, you may need to help open your eyelids with your fingers. The photo also needs to be clean and in focus. Photos that are out of focus and not clear should not be used. If this occurs, please retake the photo. There should also not be any other reflections in the iris, like a window or any other light sources that will interfere with a good reading. In order to get the best quality of the photo of the iris, the projection light should be set at an angle close to 45 degrees, approximately. This will illuminate the surface of the iris correctly. It's recommended that you have someone help you. It may be easier to get better results taking the photo of the iris if someone else adjusts the light and camera focus. But it is not mandatory. You can do this yourself. It may take a couple tries. For best results without anyone's help, please use these next following steps. Use the timer mode on the camera to take the picture. A 10 to 15 second delay should be more than enough. You need to relax and sit down comfortably. You can use the light on the tripod or in your hand if it's easier. The camera should remain in a fixed position on the tripod. Start the timer countdown and situate your eye with the eyelids well opened and correctly focused in front of the camera. Now move the light source smoothly and about the same distance as the camera is away from your eye. Adjust it so it is at an angle of approximately 45 degrees. Remember to remain looking directly at the camera. The way to know if you're lighting the iris correctly is you will no longer see the camera that will be taking the photograph. When you have moved the light source to the correct position, you will only see an intense light surrounded by blackness. When you have reached this stage, hold the light steady at this position and wait a few seconds for the camera to take the picture. Once you have the picture, relax your eye for a few moments and check that the photo has been taken correctly. It's basically a simple process, but it is normal that you may need to repeat it in order to get a good result. Be patient. But in this way, you can be assured of getting a good photo of the iris. Thank you.